Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kashalong Manipuri Students Union. Haringkat kajingyas no aktilang mat ko All Manipur Students Union ha kasingi ublay. Kalapalong ya kajing thang mombeti ha Don Bosco Square la imkra. Shalong ban penrem halor kajing sya penyap jong arut ki kena sekolah Manipur. Bat bandawa nagibor badikmi nakabanta kasuk kasan ha katay gajala. U acting president ke SMSU u CH Thangamba Meitei haba kren biginong thok kubor. Ulang makani kadai komsi bantaban pen i kajing teli sya kajala ba i jongki ka Manipur ka balamat i kajing kan at jat benri no do kalai tarik jemang mentau Snam. Na kalyang ke SMSU ki Kwah ka jingsok pat ki Kwah ban pha ka kubor jong kajing teli sya baro ki bah Manipur. Ulang ru ba ka seng kam Kwah ka huri hura ni ka Thma. Hendai ka jing temu bah khamat jongka kalong ban kerpat i ki bor badikmi pan poi sya kajing penbet ha ka ba ka jingsok kan yang rasong. Halor ka jing bam kot chu jong ka jing akan at umitay loong bakishu yai ap bat kermen ba ka jing akan at kan kut no watla kampat idon dak ban poi sya kata ka benta namar ka jing siat kadang don gibriu kidang yam ba dangshen na sakiru ya ka jing sya penyap jong arut ki khna skul ula karpat ka sarkar Manipur kunju ka sarkar Bteng bikin wanlang ban yakren bat wat ikilat kilenti ban penbet ya kani ka jing ha ka jaka pan sya ya kani ka Thma ban Bteng. Haba pensungaw baka don ka jingkta wala kisa syabar ka Manipur. Ulong ba wala da kimla banirap markmat dari ki pen-i ka jingeteli baki persya ajori kani ka Thma baki kermen scam baka jingsok kan wanno marmar. Haba keli ulong bakim Kwah man kano yanu dari ki ka baja kawe ka jat benriu ka persya ya kawe pat. Ka sarkar kadi ban Snam kadi ban wat ki lenti ha ka jaka ban chu ailat ya ka jingkul mar. Di ban pensangi ya kani wat kalan kaya ka badai ban le yakren bat persyang manwa di kalenti ka Biang tam na kabenta baro amtang na kabenta ka way ka jat ban riyo way ubriyo ka way ka kenhon henday na kabenta ka Manipur baro ka way ka jingsok kalong ka badan kam
taking the opportunity to let know the world that we are also peace-loving community and we think for the Manipur state we do not want any kind of war. We want peace, and that's how we stand here today in Shillong, the Moscow Square. We very unfortunately, our beloved students in Manipur have killed by some unknown or maybe some other parties, which is very unfortunate. We condemn and then we want justice from the government side, either from the state government or maybe the central government. We want a justice. What we are doing here is nothing but we want a justice where the people will know that the law is still under the country. Manipur is inside or maybe a part of India. If Manipur is not a part of India, then we should left behind. But we don't want that. We want what the banner says, that we condemn killing of students who is L. Mingtwenganbi and PH Emanjit, and then we demand justice. Not just for the two persons or the two students who have been killed, but for the whole Manipur. Manipur integrity should be maintained in any condition at any cost. We will give our blood, but Manipur will not be sacrificed at all. And that's how we are standing here. Though the numbers are less or though the numbers are more, our standing together unites and we will stand for the rights. And then the government of India, the state government and the CSOs of Manipur or the Northeast must come together and must identify that what is actually happening in Manipur, must talk, must have a discussion instead of with the gunfights, violence, which will create to the loss of human beings, to the loss of humanity. We do not want that. We want peace, no to war, yes to the peace. And then, aduna ngasi akoy ngasi lepiba si mayam Shillong Manipur Students Union na sinjaduna lakpiriba mayam bu akoy taramna nungaijay amadi mayam bu third dagi laiba irang ngasi bu lepri. Why is there any incompetence of the authority in Manipur, or why there is any competent authority not available from the government of India, from the state government? What is happening? We really feel sad and it's very unfortunate. This should not happen, and this should not be occurred again and again, because we want a peace. Everybody want a peace, but inside under the curtain of peace, some people or some groups, they are trying to divert or trying to divide the country or divide the state, which we are really against it. See what we are doing here. We want peace. We want everybody have the right to stay. We have the freedom of rights. Where is the freedom? In Manipur you see, where are the freedoms? Whatever that has been defined by the government, by the democracy, where is it now? What is happening? See, the force, they have been threatening, harassing the students. What is student? It's the pillar of our future. It's the pillar of our future that will cut, that will kill, just like has been done to our beloved students. Instead, we want a peace, we want a solution, we want no war at all. And this is what we want to give a message to Honorable CM and Biren Singh. Please kindly act. It's not a time for bears as a spectator. We want action. We want. Why you cannot do? You are the chief of Manipur. You are the chief minister. You must have the knowledge of what is happening in Manipur. It's a very hard touching, and then we as a student union in Shillong and in the public, we want a solution where it will last forever. Doesn't matter which community, irrespective of caste, creed, communities, we want this. So we stand here not for nothing. We just want a peace, and we find out what is to be done. We want a peace.